Welcome to Tech Trove. Android 14, internally codenamed Upside Down, Cake was introduced on February 8, 2023. A developer preview was released immediately, as well as a roadmap with the dates of updates. This contained any other developer preview, which turned into posted on March 8, as well as 4 monthly beta versions. The primary beta turned into released on April 12th, which acquired a hotfix to beta 1.1 on April 26th. The second beta turned into released on May 10th, which became also received a hotfix to beta 2.1 on Might also 25. The 1.3 beta model turned into launched on June 7th, now achieving platform stability, which changed into later obtained a hotfix to beta 3.1 on June 14th. The fourth beta version was released on July 11th. The beta versions are to be had for Pixel devices which are guaranteed Android version updates, the Pixel 4a, 5G, or more recent gadgets. Pixel 7a also can beta check Android 14 on the grounds that Beta 3, the Pixel Pill and Pixel Fold had been able to beta test Android 14 when you consider that Beta 4. Features. User experience. Constructing on the new choice brought in Android 13 to set languages in my opinion for apps, this option has been increased and is less difficult to put into effect for developers. Moreover, the new Grammatical Inflection API has been brought to permit unique salutations in languages when a message refers back to the person in a gender-specific language. Android 14 will provide the capability to boom the font length up to 200% in comparison to 130% in preceding versions, and it is now viable to specify the temperature unit, Fahrenheit or Celsius, which ought to be utilized in programs. The layout language material, U, brought in Android 12 and supplemented in Android 13, gets revised default hues in Android 14. A predictive again gesture animation suggests the vacation spot of the again gesture and shows when the again gesture will near or return to some other app. For devices with a bigger display, which includes capsules, the taskbar is improved in Android 14 and now indicates the names of the pinned apps. Battery life. Different innovations enhance battery existence by means of making internal methods more green for customers. Further, there is now the choice to choose immediately between energy-saving mode and excessive energy-saving mode. The display screen time for the reason that ultimate complete price is now displayed in the battery settings. The battery consumption is shown one at a time from machine and app applications. This feature was replaced with the release of Android 12 by means of displaying battery usage over the last 24 hours. Privacy and security. In an effort to improve privacy, the user is given the possibility to determine for themselves which photographs an app can also get admission to. Google is blocking off the setup of apps that concentrate on versions of Android under Marshmallow 6.0. On Android 14, users will not be capable of setup or download apps that focus on SDK version 22 or decrease. The change is supposed to scale back the unfold of malware, which deliberately objectives older variations of Android to skip safety regulations added on more recent versions. An ADB install flag is blanketed to skip the restrict. There may be also a small alternate for visitor mode or multiplayer mode, in which the allow visitor to use smartphone alternative has been moved to the pinnacle stage menu. Previously, this selection became in the back of the visitor account itself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Tech Trove YouTube channel for more new exciting videos.